everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. This is GCSE Maths exam sprint series. This is a popular GCSE exam style question, and this one is about upper and lower bounds. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you want to check the answer, press play. C is 7.8 centimeters, correct to the nearest millimeter. Now the first thing we need to notice here is that they are in different units. So nearest millimeter, so 1 millimeter is the same as 0.1 centimeter. So we know C is 7.8, and this 7.8, I need to find my upper bound and lower bound. So the upper bound of 7.8 is half of 0.1 added to 7.8. So let's do that. 0.1 divided by 2 is 0.05. So to get the upper bound, you just add 0.05. So you get 7.85. To get the lower bound, you take away 0.05 and you get 7.75. Now we need to do the same thing for B. B is 5.2 to the nearest millimeter. So for B, I need to get my upper bound and lower bound. Upper bound is 5.2 add 0.05, which is 5.25. 5.2 take away 0.05 is 5.15. Now let's look at the rest of the question. Calculate the upper bound for A. Okay, so you need to find the upper bound for this A here. So you can clearly see this is a right angle triangle. So I have to think about Pythagoras theorem. So A squared plus B squared gives you the hypotenuse squared, which is C squared. But the question is to find A, so just move B to the other side. A squared is equal to C squared take away B squared. So my A is square root of C squared take away B squared. Now, the next part is the tricky part. So I need to find the upper bound for A. So that is the maximum value of A. So for A to be maximum, I need to get the biggest possible value of C. So obviously upper bound of C. So what's the upper bound of C? 7.85. Take away B squared. Now for my A to be as big as possible, obviously what I take away should be the minimum. So what is the lowest value of B? Obviously 5.15, and obviously that's a square. So on my calculator, I get the answer as 5.92452 ... Now, how do we round it? So let's look at the question. This value here is for 1 decimal place. This value here is also 1 decimal place. So I'm going to do the same rounding here. So the answer is 5.9 centimeters.